It's me. I'm not dead yet. We're making a video on his car. It's the one right there. From such great hits as... The car sucks.
You suck.
Fair. Yeah, and so since his car is really smart and really good and really well thought out by Honda, we have to take the wheels off to get to the headlights. It's either that or the front bumper, so wish us luck. Hopefully one of us doesn't break our ankle. All right, and then we jack the car up. Not off. Jack it up. That was terrible. Oh, fuck. Sorry, class. Okay, let's get your shit car up. Don't know how to use the jack. You're ugly. Why is your car so stupid? Why are you so stupid? Fuck you. There we go. We did it nice and sound. Perfect. Now it's going down slow. There you go. Yeah.
Always good to be careful.
That would have been hilarious if the wheel just fucking fell off. Alright, speaking of that, you gotta take the wheel off.
Yeah.
Get to it.
I don't know what to do.
You got it, get the wheel off. Woo!
But it's heavy.
I don't make the rules.
Crushed my skull. Love that. I just broke fucking everything.
I'm not surprised. You are Riley.
Yeah. That's my name. Don't wear it out.
No one's wearing it out.
I know.
Alrighty, so now we have to take off this like protecting shit under here. And to do that, we need to take off the little plastic clips right here. There's some on the roof of the car's hood thing. And then,
Nice.
honestly, I think that's it. It's like 2 or 3 clips. It's not a super bitch, but it's like on the level of like kind of bitchy.
It's medium, bitch.
It's a medium bitch. Yeah. Alright, and now that we've gotten all these little bitch ass clips out, we just fucking rip it off.
Yeah!
I'm gonna pull this out, and then, hold on, can you, I don't know if you can even fucking see it. You have to pull the, you gotta pull the thing, you gotta pull the light out from there. I promise I'm a professional.
Yeah, right.
And we have it clipped in now. We're just gonna turn the headlights on and see if it works.
Damn it.
Riley, you'll know if it's good if I go blind.
Alright.
Did you turn it all the way on?
Yeah.
Okay, so it's not on.
You sure?
Yeah, is the other headlight on?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay, so I just have to reverse the polarity then. Hold on. Okay, take 2, let's see. Ha! Yeah, it works. Yeah. Alright, so now we're turning this on for the first time. And it's white light, wow! So much better than this nasty ass, crusty ass, old halogens that are dying. Now hopefully he'll be able to see at night.
Hold on, I want to see. Oh, wow. Yep, that's a light.
Yeah, it is. Alright, and remember to put your tires back on before you drive away, everybody.